kunyara komuchugwa igore yamamo charengeta mngani oboiti amona mochomande anamono asoko bo kukwirana nsa kwa murembe himeye county ya Kisii usio mono chebi nani governor Nunda asomero mamo chaye asikona nabo kinaende kira chiko tagara western kemero ngebere na isano nibere chumuti nyoga tato igo mwakoyo anemono aiga asumu chobosongo aseke gambere kenene kia Kisii Law Courts.
The grounds of opposition, the submission by parties here, I find that the issues for determination are whether this court has jurisdiction to review its decision. It is therefore clear that since the court delivered its ruling, there has been no change of circumstances to warrant review. And that the records produced were from the records of the law court were clear that he had done bail in 4 cases. This he has conceded in the affidavit. He has also conceded that the warrants were lifted save for the case 16 and which was withdrawn. That is still the position. I find that accused person faults this court on the analysis of the record in the law court, particularly 16 and 2019. I find that the issues raised by accused are issues of appeal, as rightly submitted by counsel for the victim. This court has no jurisdiction to sit on its own appeal. For the said reasons, and in avoid the preliminary objection, that follows that the application must fail to solve.